Besides the API gateway, AWS Lambda allows you to create triggers to execute your Lambda functions from a number of other AWS services. S3, for example, let's say a new object or file is added to a bucket, you can configure a Lambda function to process that file in some way. Simple Notification Service, or SNS. When a message is sent to an SNS topic, the Lambda function can process that message. Or DynamoDB, when a new record is added to a DynamoDB database or an existing record is changed, a Lambda function can be called to process that message. Or CloudWatch events. CloudWatch events are an interesting use case. They can be used to schedule the Lambda function to run at specific times, similar to a scheduled task in Windows or a cron tab in Unix or Linux. As an example, we'll set up a CloudWatch trigger to call our Lambda function every minute.
In the AWS Cloud Console, go to the Lambda service and open the Hello Lambda function we created earlier in this course. Click on the Triggers tab. You'll see there's already one trigger there, the API Gateway trigger we created earlier. Click Add Trigger, then click on the dotted square and choose the trigger service. In this case, we'll choose CloudWatch event. We'll create a new rule, and we call that rule minute hello lambda. And we'll give it a description. As a rule type, we'll choose schedule expression. This will allow us to set a schedule for this rule. We can use the rate expression to schedule the function to run every minute. Submit, and the trigger will be enabled. If we now look at our CloudWatch logs, we'll see this function being executed every minute. The function that we have designed isn't really built for being called as a result of an event without any parameters. In the logs, we'll therefore see null as a name in the log output. This is the event that was triggered at 16 minutes after 2 and 50 seconds. If we wait another minute, we'll see a new message show up 1 minute later. See that a minute later, another call to this function was executed. So with this AWS CloudWatch event as a trigger for a Lambda function, every minute our function will be executed.